Hello, all my JavaScript friends. This is TheVirtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and this is our Weed Whacker program. We're going to be doing these videos just a little bit different. There's only going to be 2 videos in this series. This first video is going to take you through the game. The second one will take you through the code. So if you're looking for the code, look for the other video. However, in this video, we're just going to take a look at the game itself. Now, Weed Whacker is a very simple game. You have a weed eater, and your job is to take out the weeds in your yard. Problem is, the weeds keep growing up, and some of them are harder to cut than others. But as you cut the weeds, you can upgrade your Weed Whacker to be able to cut the weeds faster, or to be able to, move faster, or to have a much larger turning radius for your Weed Whacker. But you got to watch out for the rocks, because as soon as you hit the rocks, that's going to kill your durability. And when the durability hits 0, boop, the game is over. So let's just get into it with a new game. Little countdown, get you prepared using the game controller here. And it's actually got audio with it too. So you can see as I'm moving my Weed Whacker, I am whacking the weeds. Cut that one down. I've got 3 seconds, 2 seconds. I start with 15 seconds. And my time is up. There is no more time. So what can we do? Well, at this point, we want to level up. And we have 6 different things we can level up. Time increases the amount of time we can spend on our yard. Power increases how much of our cutting power there is, so we can cut down weeds faster. Speed is how fast we can move our Weed Whacker. Range is how wide the Weed Whacker is going to be, a larger cutting radius. Durability is how strong our Weed Whacker is, because if we accidentally hit a rock, that's going to damage our Weed Whacker. And spawn rate is how fast the weeds spawn. And as we go up in levels, we'll have more weeds get spawned, and we will have tougher weeds spawn. And we'll also have tougher rocks spawn, so watch out for that. In this case, I'm going to increase my power. I can't increase anything else, so let's just hit on continue to go to round number 2. Oh, we got a second level weed up there, so let's get that second level weed. Oh, and we got lucky that a first level weed popped in right underneath our Weed Whacker. Kind of like a bonus. 3, 2, 1, time is up. So let's level up. I'm going to increase the power one more time. I like increasing my power. I want to be able to cut the weeds down as quick as I can. Let's continue now. Oh, we had a weed appear right underneath our Weed Whacker, which automatically activated. Well, here's level 3. Let's get that level 3 because that's what we're going to need to be able to increase our power one more time. We have 4 seconds left. Oh, I might be able to get this one in time. No, I'm not going to be able to. Time is up. I really need to increase my time or increase my speed next. So I got a 4-1. It takes 4 level 1s and 1 level 2. And 1 level 1 for time. I'm going to do the time one. I'll be able to increase the speed next time. So now I got a little bit more extra time. So let's go down and start cutting some more weeds. Now the weeds are popping up. And notice in the upper left-hand corner that we have a rock. In fact, we just had a second one appear. Up there's a level 4 weed. We're not going to get that yet. We're not that powerful. When I hit a rock, it decreased my durability. And as we get higher up in levels, the rocks get harder. All right, we will level up. And I said I want to do speed last time, so I'm going to do speed this time. Oh, we can do our time. I'm going to increase the spawn rate, actually. And then next I'm going to do the durability. I want to get the weeds coming out faster. So let's go to level 5. We haven't increased our power, so I'm still going to kind of stay away from the level 4 weeds at this point. But I do want to try to get another level 3. Got 4 seconds left. Might be able to get a couple of these in. Yep, got them in just at the last moment. Let's level up. I do want to do my durability this time. That kills everything I've got. I've got no level 1 weeds, so I really got to concentrate on level 1s. As we get higher up in the levels, the level 1s become less and less. All right, round 6. The rocks right now are still not that much of a problem, but they will become a problem here shortly. I need a couple more level 1s to see if I can grab these 2 before time is up, because I do want to increase my power next. And yes, I can now increase my power. I can increase the time too. Double bonus! Round 7. Rocks and weeds are going to get just a little bit tougher. I think at this point I can more safely time-wise grab a level 4. Still going to take some time, but oh, ran right over a rock. That's a level 5. I don't want to take that level 5 out. It's at level 4. I mean 5, 6, 7. I don't know. Can't count anymore. Let's see if we can get these 3 in a row there. One of the things that's very interesting about this that you got to watch out for is that as you, let's go ahead and level up again. Let's do the power. I don't want to do my range yet because let's do the range. As the rocks spawn, there could be weeds spawn over the rocks, so you can go over and find a whole bunch of weeds in one spot and be really happy about it, and suddenly find yourself hitting a rock. I thought for a second there I might try to fix that. There goes a level 5, level 6 one. I keep forgetting we have 7 levels of weeds. And I've wasted a lot of time on those. Let's go ahead and go. Ooh, we got a big rock right there. I'm going to not get that one. Just got a couple seconds left to see if we can pick up those real quick, and we did. I'm not going to pick up anything else. That's good. All right, level up. We really can't level up. Let's see. I really want to get my durability is at 123. I wouldn't mind increasing my time, so I'm going to need 8 of the level 1s and 2 of the level 2s. We don't have any level 2s, so let's concentrate on level 2s this time. And these weeds actually have names. That's the only thing I used AI for, is to be able to get names for them. And they came out with some pretty decent names. But I don't have the names memorized, so there we go. And I got a couple of level 2s. I'm going to grab this level 2 over here. Grab another level 3. Here's a level 4. Let's see if there's something I can get that's quick. Yeah, there's going to be a quick one right there. There's a level 6. Let's see if level 7. Let's see if we can grab that before it goes out. No, not quite. Let's level up. Time, speed. What do I want to do here? I want to get more. I want to get more in there. And so let's get that spawn rate up. So that's going to bring in the weeds much faster. So let's go over here. Get a couple of level 2s. I really think I want to go ahead and increase the power and the speed next so I can zip around this board as fast as possible. But to do that, I'm going to have to make sure I get a lot of level 1. Oh, I almost got that rock. And notice right next to me here to the right here, a rock has spawned underneath some of the weeds. That's not good. Let's get on this other side over here. Get some of these simple weeds out of the way. Didn't do as well that time, so let's level up. Well, we got enough power. Love to get some speed. That's going to be a 6, 2, and 1. So we're just missing 3 level 1s. So let's see if we can find some level 1s. We have some weeds spawning underneath the... There's a level 1 right there. There's a level 1 right there. And notice that the weeds are now being cut a whole lot. Oh, got a level 1 down here. Another level 1 over here. I'm cutting this level 7 down. Okay, that gets me my 1 level 7, because I think there's one upgrade that still takes a level 7. I don't recall off the top of my head. Yeah, got that one. All right, 8, 15, and 5. That should... Oh, hit continue to level up. Well, that means we're going to have a lot more. Well, I do know for a fact that I'm probably going to have to get a lot more level 1s, so anywhere I can see a level 1 spawn, we will get that. Notice the weeds are just flying into our yard now. It's that neighbor. He doesn't cut his yard well enough. All right, let's go up here. Let's grab a bunch of grab a bunch of these. A whole bunch of them right here. Let's see if we can grab all of those. Got that one. 7 seconds left. Let's see if there's anything in here we can grab. Oh, there's a good level 1 right there. There's level 1 right there too. Can we get that one? No, couldn't get that one. All right, let's level up. All right, we can get everything. What I want to get, I do want to increase my speed. Oh, we can increase the power one more time. All right, power's at max level. Can't go any more, but we can still increase our speed one more time. Boy, that was great. Look at all that. That's fantastic. 8 and 2 on the time. Let's see if we can increase the time next. Or we can get 6, 6, 3, 2, and 1. 6, 6, 3, 2, and 1. So actually, let's do the rate one next. We just need 5 more of the level 1. So let's hopefully we'll get a bunch of level 1s. There's a level 1 down there. We got a level 1 over here. Oh no! I hit a rock, and that was it. That was the ball game at that point. That's what I mean. You got to be very careful. If a rock suddenly just appears, you're done. Well, that's it for this particular game. We will have another video out here shortly that goes over the code for this game. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to view more videos. Click on the like button on this video and visit us at TheVirtuoid.com. Also, support us on Patreon, where you can get access to member-only videos. Links are down below. Again, thank you very much for watching, and keep on coding.